Hello, this is Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel. I have another marketplace journal share. These journals are available in my Etsy shop. If you click the link below that says my shop, you'll go to my shop on Etsy, and if you go to the section that says marketplace, any marketplace journals still available will be there. So this set of journals is from Pam, and here is her business card. Cottage Garden Collage, Pam K. Emmons. And she has sent us some journals. I haven't really looked at these, so I'm excited to. I love this one. It says, always be on the lookout for the presence of wonder. It's a metal that's glued on, and it's holding the closure. Birdhouses, flowers. It's a cardstock cover. The corners are rounded. I love that. Beautiful paper. Let's get into it. All right. So this is called Wonder, 68 pages. So there's a little pocket in the front with this cute little notebook. That is really cute. Life is an adventure. That fits in there. If the lighting's a little weird, it's because it's about 8:30 here in the morning and still not that bright out, and I'm by a window. So wow, look at those dried flowers in there. You can actually move, I'm not going to, but you could take them out or move them around. How beautiful. Some tags. I love the butterfly washi. I have never seen any of her journals. I'm extremely impressed. That's one of my button tags, button collage, or button label tags. It's always fun. I say that over and over again, but it's always fun to see my stuff in journals. It's a little bank note. That is cute. Beautiful paper. Looks like an Edith Holden page. Lots of little tags. So gorgeous. Places for writing, places for photos. It's a really nice size. Kind of country nature. That's one of mine too. No one ever made a difference by being like everyone else. Enjoy the moments. Cute little flip ups. Beautiful color scheme. Lots of tags in here. Lots of tags in here. Oh, those are cute. They're like little plant, whatever they're called. Plant markers, I think. More dried flowers. Beautiful. Just beautiful. So there's that one called Wonder. There's more in this box. What do we have here? Life doesn't have to be perfect to be wonderful. Today is full of possibilities. Look on the bright side. And then it's a cardstock cover. And then there's some like burlap and beaded flowers on there. Some trim. There's a doily on the back. Really nice. This is called Life is Wonderful, 72 pages. Very nice. I love the little file folder paper. She's got beautiful papers. I mean, just gorgeous. I don't know what paper pad she's using, but I'm jealous. This one's a Tim Holtz. Beautiful. Oh, and this one has feathers on it. Beautiful. It looks like there might be a butterfly wing or something on there too. And I like how they're in these photo sleeves because they're protected. Because they're fragile, but if they're in there, they're going to be protected. Beautiful choices of papers. Those birds. You know, I love birds. Every moment matters. That's cute. My voice is like not wanting to be strong today. Don't think I'm sick or anything. It's just early morning. Haven't talked a whole lot yet. Little Velcro envelope. Very cute. Love it. So life is wonderful. That is this one. There is more. Nature Sketchbook. So maybe that's the, I've been wanting to get this paper pad. I just haven't. Maybe that's what these are all coming from. Look how beautiful. So beautiful. Nature Sketchbook, 72 pages. Beautiful colors. Very, very, very pretty. I love the oranges and the yellows. So pretty. It's a good mix of having a lot of fun ephemera. That's like a see-through butterfly. A lot of fun ephemera and a lot of fun clip-ins and things to look at, but also having lots of places to write and add your own things. It's like a perfect balance. Cute. Finding that balance can be really, really hard sometimes. Oh, that page is clipped on. Excuse me. I love that bee paper for the birds. So delicate what she comes up with. So beautiful. Just keep it safe in there. Some little tags, big journal cards. Oh. Little booklet in the back. Papers and journal cards. Really, really love your style, Pam. All right. There's more. There's two more. Nothing happens unless first we dream. So pretty. Believe, imagine, achieve. Little tags in the front here. This is called Dream, and there's 88 pages. Wow, so beautiful. This might be graphic 45 too. So pretty. All the little touches. Lots and lots of tags. Little papers. This would be so much fun to collage in because of all the different types of papers and clip-ins. Lots of note papers. Look at the little photo corners there. Beautiful, beautiful. A mind must open to bloom, and there's like glitter on it. Guest check with some lace. So pretty. I like the size. Size is nice. I think that opens up. I just don't want to ruin it. Oh, there's a little like watch charm. Whole bunch of journaling note pages there that you can use and stick throughout. Very pretty. Beautiful color scheme. Beautiful journal. Okay, and there's one more, I think. Beautiful reds. So she used the Linda Israel kit, and I've been seeing a lot about that online. So it'll be nice to see what she made with it. Red journal, 80 pages. Super cute. I don't want to untie everything. And Calico Collage was the one, I believe, who designed the digitals for this, so that's really neat. Oh, can't get it back in. Really pretty. Love the reds and blacks. So pretty. Oh, old photograph. You don't find the happy life, you make it. Beautiful floral images. So pretty. I love whatever paper this is that the kit is printed on. Makes the colors really vibrant. I want to be play around with some of the papers that I print my kits on. Been sticking with the same thing for so long, I'm ready for something new. Whoop, get it back in there. More dried flowers. I love the dried flower touch. Tickets, tags. So pretty. Beautiful, beautiful. I think this is like a glimmer misted bag. And papers in the back as well. Your journals are so beautiful, Pam. Thank you for sharing them. And so you all know they're available in the shop. So I will see all of you in the next video. And I like to say on the Marketplace videos to remind you that it's buy 3, get free shipping, and to look through the Marketplace and see if there's a journal that hasn't been claimed yet that you could purchase so that it can find a home and the artist can get a little bit from it and have some money to go buy more supplies and, you know, perpetuate this lovely thing. All right, it's too early in the morning, you guys. My brain is like only working at 65%, I think. So I'll see all of you in the next video. I hope you have a lovely and crafty day.